Hello everybody. In this video I will show you how to install and configure the Sphinx browser version checker plugin I just made. So let's proceed. To install the plugin you have to click here on the add new in the plugin section, upload plugin, choose file, select the zip file you just downloaded from Envato and click install. We wait a bit. We must now activate the plugin. After we activated it, we go to its settings. Here we can see the full settings of this plugin. Up here is the main switch. You can enable or disable it. Don't forget to save settings after you disabled it. After that, we can proceed to the specific versions we choose to block. So if I have a script that requires newer versions of Google Chrome, I have the option to block the older versions. Here I have all Chrome versions. This means every Chrome version will be allowed to display our site. No Chrome versions. This means that every Chrome version will be blocked. Newer than 3 months only display on Chrome versions that are newer than 3 months, same 6, 9, 12. Or down here we can select the first version that we support. So if we select 50, Chrome versions 50 and up will be supported by our website. Same applies for Firefox, all no newer than. Internet Explorer, there we have only until version 11, Opera, Safari, Edge. So let's select here for the first time. I have now Chrome 55. To show you how this works, I select here minimum version of Chrome 55. I have now Chrome 54, sorry. And so I select here Chrome 55 and let's go down here. Another option is allow mobile device browsers. I suggest that you leave this on yes only if you know that you don't support mobile phones and mobile browsers. Then you can select here no, and you can input your messages that will be shown on mobile only. So not supported on mobile devices, please load this page only on desktop computers. You should leave this on yes only if you know that no is right for you. Check browser version on mobile devices. This checkbox will enable browser checking also on mobile devices. So if a user has a Chrome, an older version Chrome on mobile, he will be also prompted that our website needs a newer version of Chrome. Next, show only once per visitor. This checkbox will make that our pop-up will be shown only once per visitor. This is because not to annoy, if you choose not to annoy the user. If you choose this option, the pop-up will be shown once, and then if the user chooses to ignore it that day, the pop-up will be not shown on your website for that user only. This uses cookies, don't forget. Next we have the user notification style. Let's leave this on pop-up. We have this pop-up and top panel style. Let's leave this firstly on pop-up. We have here some messages, the message title and the message text. You have to configure it as you like. Include downloading to supported browsers. Here, if you check this, the pop-up will contain also download links of the newer version of browsers that you selected up here. So if you select 55 and I have Chrome 54, a browser link will be shown in the pop-up for me to go to the Chrome website and download the latest Chrome version. Next thing, we have to configure the colors of our pop-up. Let's say it's blue, light blue. Link color shall be red, and text color black. It's okay. So white. It's fancier. Next thing, we have an option that warn users only, do not block the website. This option, if it leaves checked, the user has the option to bypass the pop-up and continue to the website. Here you have the option to change the close text of your pop-up, and here you have the option to enable the user to close the pop-up by clicking outside it and the gray area. Let's leave these two on for this time and save our settings and go to our blog. Don't forget to uncheck this, because if you seen already the pop-up, it will show up only one time. Don't forget that. Now I forget it. So yeah, here is our pop-up. The pop-up title, the pop-up text, the links. This goes to the newer version of Google Chrome where I can download it. A nice browser icon and the ability to close the pop-up. Also, I can close the pop-up by clicking outside here, anywhere outside our plugin. Okay, next thing, uncheck this for disabling the clicking outside. Now I can click outside our plugin and nothing happens, only this will close it. Next thing I want to show you is the ability to block totally your website on unsupported browsers. So here you have grayed out everything, only the pop-up is shown and the skip link is away, has disappeared, and it tells that your browser is not supported. If we uncheck this, we have no download links. In this case, it only says your browser is not supported, please download the latest version. Also, don't forget you can customize this message as you want here. Okay, next step, let's proceed to the top panel style. Here I want to show you how it looks like when we check the top panel style. Okay, here we have the panel settings, the message that appears in the top panel, leave this as it is, the close text, panel sticks to the top of the page. Let's leave this on for this time. I'll show you immediately what this means. The color of our panel, let's put this to blue and text color green, link text color green. Save our settings and let's go what we have. Let's see what we have. Also, here is our bar panel, top panel bar. and it says our message and close. We can close it. If we scroll down, it sticks to the top of our browser. And now let's go and disable these settings. Panel sticks to the top of the page. If we disable this, then our panel also appears a start, but it will disappear when the user scrolls down. And also it can be closed. Okay. So you have these two and +1, 2 + 1, because you have this option to block or not to block your website. Okay. Finally, I would like to tell you about a shortcode that I added. The shortcode is Sphinx browser info. This shortcode will display information about your browser, about the user's browser, in the page you add this shortcode. The information will be exactly like in this example. Browser name, user's browser, I have Google Chrome now, version 54. Browser user agent string, this is a specific string for every browser, and platform Windows. You can add this short link to display information where you want. Okay. Yeah. This is it, I think. If you have any questions, you can contact me at my email that is on Envato. So thank you for your patience and time, and I hope this plugin will be useful for you. Bye.